What's up, YouTube? First time buying hand-lit grips. About to put this on my Glock 19X. Alright, let's get to it.
Glock 19X. Bad little video. I don't got the clipping all clear though. About to put the hand-lit grips on. Let's get it.
I had my girl do this part. Y'all know what it is. Let's get it.
Y'all see, nice grip. I say that's a 10 right there. Feel me? Nice. Once again, it's clear. Got the little side jumps. Your finger. It protects yours. I like how it feels. I definitely get them a 10. Hand-lit grips. Y'all go shop with them. I could drop a link in the video.
Hey, good looks for watching. Until next time, we out here.